In a world full of harsh chemicals and artificial flavors, we're often in search of a safe product for ourselves and our family to use, but look no further because today we're going to talk about an awesome product. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and that awesome product is doTERRA's On Guard Mouthwash. The common use for this is just an oral rinse, and the main benefits of the On Guard Mouthwash is that it's a natural and alcohol-free formula that cleanses and soothes your mouth, maintains clean teeth, and reduces plaque buildup. Those are really awesome benefits. And on top of that, it's not too strong, and so this is really good to kind of swish in your mouth and then spit out. But then, hey, it leaves your mouth feeling clean and tingly, but not overly so. The directions for use are: shake well before use, take a small capful and swish around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit out. Make sure not to swallow, and then you can use this morning and night after brushing for best results. And this is a really good duo with the On Guard toothpaste and an electric toothbrush. So those are things that I use with this that really support my mouth, throat, and overall just immune system. And that's going to be great all throughout the year. And so we have to remember what we do to get well should be what we do to stay well. We shouldn't wait until our immune system is, compromised, because the two main ways that stuff gets into our body is through our mouth and through our nose. And so if we can diffuse essential oils like On Guard or Breathe, and then also use the On Guard mouthwash and On Guard toothpaste on a daily basis, we are setting those two entry points up for success. But if we don't, then we're not. Alright, well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.